today's video, we're making tacos de pescado. I just got back from Key West where I was with my boys and I had fish tacos. I think that's pretty much what tacos de pescado translates to. But they had some of the freshest fish tacos I've ever had. Now here in Oklahoma, that ain't a thing. It doesn't happen around here. So let me show you how I make it. All right, so first things first, we want to make the sauce. And this is a shout out to my buddy, BBQ Ninja. He made this for us and absolutely blew my mind. When I found out you can make this sauce in a matter of minutes, I was blown away. I was lucky enough for him to share the recipe with me, so I'm gonna make it for you. Thank you, Brother Craig. So, in a blender, I have 2 avocados. Down in there. Go ahead and get them on the bottom. 1 bunch of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley or none of it. I put it in there, stems and all. It's gonna be blended up well. Cream cheese, softened. I don't think it'll matter in here though. It is kind of ironic, the recipe's from the BBQ Ninja and I'm mixing it in the Ninja. We have a 24-ounce can of pickled jalapenos and carrots. This is gonna make a lot of sauce. We have 7 ounces of fresh crema, which I feel like this is just a melted cream cheese. A little bit of chicken bouillon. This is the better than bouillon, or I think that's what it's called. The juice from 2 limes and 2 loud ass dogs. I'm gonna hit it with some SPG.
Hey, quiet on set.
And now we're gonna give it a blend and hope this does not go bad because it's stuffed full. Lock down for me, baby. I'm gonna pulse it first. There we go. A low mix. There we go. Push everything down. They're trying to fight it. Not today. Rock and roll. Some of you don't want to mix up off the sides. Come on, Ninja. Golly, it's so good. I'm gonna put mine in a squeeze bottle, or attempt to. I might not be able to. It may have to go in a bowl. But at this point, I like it a little bit thicker. You can thin it out. You can put some water in there and get it in here. If it doesn't go in here this way, because I like the flavor, I like it a little bit thicker, it's going in a bowl. If you want to thin it out, just use a little bit of water. Just proceed cautiously. See how we did. I'm gonna be a little ambitious and think I can pour this, so let's go. That is perfect thickness though. Boom. We're gonna put a lid on this, sell this to your friends. I promise you, you will use every bit of this. I'll probably use this whole thing myself. Got our sauce made. Now we move on to the dredge. Now, this is a rendition of a dredge we did on a prior video with chicken wings. They were awesome. They were real good. A little spicy, I ain't gonna lie, but that's okay. That's how I like it. You make them how you like them. So right here, I have a 1.5 cups of flour, and I'm just going in with some ghost pepper powder. Not that much. If you don't want to use the ghost pepper wing dust, use whatever you got. I'm gonna hit with a little bit of SPG too. Can't go wrong with that. Mixy, mixy. Now, we're gonna go dry, wet, back to dry. 3 eggs. Now at this point, I lost a lot of people in the last video, but trust me here, it works. It freaking works. Club soda. This is a 33-ounce can. We're gonna use about 10 to 12, roughly half a bottle. That's about 10. So now, pull up a chair, let me tell you a story about tacos de pescado. Where it originated from, sure, Mexico, but if you talk to any Texan, I'm sure they're gonna tell you Texas. I'm just kidding. I'm just giving my boy shit. Me and my boy had a conversation the other day about tacos. So what we have here is cod, fresh cod. Now what I've done is cut it into strips, roughly about the size of fat ass taco size, and that's what we're gonna do. You can use whatever fish you want. Catfish is very prevalent around here, but I just didn't want to roll with catfish tacos. That didn't seem like the right thing to do. A little bit of SPG in the eggs. I'm probably gonna have to fry in 2 batches here, but that's okay. Really shove that down in there. Push it down in there. I'll screw this up when I'm done. Dry hand, wet hand. Yeah, that club soda kind of threw me for a loop too, but, and when we did it, it was game changer, especially on wings. The mayor of Crispy Town. Look at this fat dude. Let's get him in there first. Always make sure you lay away from you. Ding! Woo! Coming along. Now all we gotta do is get the slaw. For the slaw, we did not do anything special. The way that I like to have my slaw on a fish taco is natural with sauce. I feel like when they make the slaw ahead of time and they bring it out on your taco, it starts to turn like wilted and soft, and it just doesn't have that crunch and bite that I personally like. But if you like to mix it up, this would be a fantastic sauce for your slaw. Then you can do a little hot sauce or whatever, but this is just how I like to do it. I mean, I can't wait no more. I like to thank my personal tortilla maker. Woo-hoo. You know, there's an argument that I know they have down in Texas. Do you put the slaw on the bottom, then the fish, or the fish on the bottom with slaw? I feel like everywhere you go, it's fish on bottom, then slaw. It's like the toilet paper argument. Do you roll it off the top or the back? This psycho over here, she rolls it off the back. And apparently, when I was in Key West the other day, I had two psychos in the house because they rolled it off the back too. So I think for this one, I'm gonna go, I don't know, man. What do you think? Let's do sauce on the bottom. I'm gonna do sauce on the top too. I'm not gonna go crazy with the cabbage. Now, I'm gonna hit it one more time with this. What do you think? Boom. Come on now. Warm on the bottom, cold on the top. What we all been waiting for. Oh yeah, that sauce with that fresh cod, and the cabbage just pops it, just puts a nice fresh crunch in there. A little queso fresco on the top. That's probably the best fish taco I've ever had. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you need to make this recipe, I'm not asking you if you want to, you need to make this recipe. Head on over to kosmosq.com, print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. And you're not going to want to miss this. That sounds so f***ing stupid. Why do I say that?